What's up? It's J2O King, Real FOREX King, back for a weekly Forex forecast. It's been a while since I made one of these weekly videos, but let's start. First thing we're going to do is looking at forexfactory.com, looking at the calendar to see what's going on for the week. Right now, Sunday, you can see there's a bank holiday that's going to affect the AUD, so AUD pitch moves, next one's volatility. Monday, a lot of yellow folders affecting the GBP pairs, so low impact, so nothing too crazy in the market. And then Tuesday, you can see a bunch of yellow folders. Only red folder is affecting USD during New York session at 8:30. The PPI M/M. Suspect some volatility in New York session trading USD pairs. Wednesday, a big day in the market. You have a bunch of red folders in New York session, especially FOMC. FOMC is a crazy news event that's going to happen. We're going to talk about the Federal Reserve's rates, FOMC economic projections. Right now, we're trying to understand what's going on with inflation. Right now, everything's going up. The dollar value is constantly decreasing. Cost of living going up, so the economy's not looking too good. And then you have AUD, USD. AUD, USD. You have high impact news, red folders, unemployment rate. So, yeah, Thursday. Wednesday's gonna be a crazy news day, as well as Thursday. You have CHF news events during London session, as well as GBP pairs. It's gonna be very volatile news for Thursday. And then Friday, nothing too crazy. Usually the market resets on Friday, and you get the Fed Child Power speaks. After he speaks, he does cause some fluctuations in the market because he's the Federal Reserve chair. And I also look at the charts. So right now, the daily chart, looking at US 30. So as you can see, last week, crazy drop in the market, crazy drop. Because we're in a bearish market right now. That's what people are saying is recession's coming soon. We're probably head into one, as well as the Bitcoin market on a daily. You see, we're constantly going down lower, creating new lows on the higher time frames. Let's go back to US 30. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. So right now, this week, I expect it to continue to drop some more. Expect it to continue to drop down more, targeting the zone here. This is an area that we had previous support. Right here, we have previous support. So we should come down and test this area. If we break this area, we're gonna go down even more. So be on the lookout. Right now, we definitely on a downtrend still, so look for sell opportunities for the earlier of this week. Let's go to Bitcoin and let's go to the 4-hour chart. As you can see, we broke through the zone. This here, we broke through here, broke through the zone, probably retest back up and still come down. So still look for sell opportunities. And gold. Let's see what's going on with gold. Gold. So it's inversely related compared to US 30. So if the Dow's going down, gold's going up because gold is a safe haven. So right now, gold shot up because the Dow shot down. So gold shot up to test the zone, the previous high. It looked like it almost broke the previous high. So right now, gold, we're looking for buy opportunities. The market could drop down before it shoot back up, or the market could literally go up. So we are targeting this zone up here, the 1900. We'll see if this week if the market goes to the 1900s as a target. But as of now, we are on a slight uptrend. If we break here, it's definitely gonna be fully confirmed for the uptrend, but we'll see how the market plays. And then you have AUD. AUD, we're in a downtrend. We broke through this zone here, this previous zone, this trend line. So I do expect it to continue to come down even more to the next zone. And the market does retrace. We can literally retrace and come back up, but still focusing on downtrend, respecting this trend line. And there's news happening later on this week, affecting the AUD pair, like Wednesday, I believe. So be on the lookout for the volatility. And then GBP, JPY, we're on a slight downtrend. Let me go to the daily chart so you can see the bigger picture. So right here, we had a previous zone on a daily, a supply zone that's been tested. Friday, the market went down for a dip. So we are on a slight downtrend. We could literally do a move similar to the previous weeks where we went down, came up, down. So we could literally come down, retrace up a little, and then shoot back down till we get to the zone. So let's go to the 4-hour chart. Yeah, as you can see, still have a sell. I'm still holding my sells in from Friday. I got in around this area. I got in the zone area. So we could literally come back down to this zone area. So I'm looking to hold to that area and see what happens from there. Let's go to USDJPY. So USDJPY is a little messy. We've been on a crazy uptrend still. I put like a sell in on Friday, but I'll see what happens Monday. Because it's been consolidating last week, and we're on like a overall uptrend on the higher time frames. If we go to the daily, we've been on an uptrend for a couple days, couple weeks. So right now it's overdue for this drop, but we trade what we see, not what we think. So right now, we'll see what happens. If it shoots up, I'll close out my trade. If it shoots up, I'll close out my trade, or we might finally come back down to retest the zone. So just be on the lookout for that. And GBP/USD. So this pair finally shot down Friday. It's a 4-hour chart. So I am targeting, still targeting for sales overall. This is the next zone. We could literally come down to this zone and retrace back up. Or we could literally start off the week coming up and then shoot back down. But this zone area, I see us as potentially targeting to go to, because we are in a downtrend. So we could literally break down still for Monday, or we could break up a little, but then shoot back down. And then Euro AUD. So this pair is kind of a little messy right now. Let's go to the daily chart. So on a daily chart, we have this trend line for uptrend for buy moves, but we broke this trend line and started consolidating. So we could literally decide to either come back up or just really shoot back down. So let's go to the 4-hour chart to see more clearly. In the 4-hour chart, it seems like we did try to break up the trend line, then we shot back down. So I do see us going back down, to be honest, looking for sell moves. Back down to this zone area. I don't think we're gonna go up here, but if we break this zone here, we potentially could come up here. But right now, I think we're gonna come back down since we broke this trend line. We'll probably retest it one more time and then shoot back down. So that's pretty much my analysis for this upcoming week. Definitely a great day to trade is Tuesdays to Thursdays due to volatility in the market and news events. But definitely look out for Wednesday FOMC. There's a lot of news events Wednesday, so just be careful, especially if you're scalping on Wednesday. Definitely like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. You already know we're out here. Peace.